Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to compare between Shopify versus WooCommerce. If you are looking to start an online store in 2025, chances are you have come across two of the biggest e-commerce platforms, Shopify and WooCommerce. But which one is right for you? In this honest, in-depth comparison, we are breaking down everything: pricing, ease of use, features, performance, customization, and more. So let's dive in. Overview. Shopify is a full-hosted e-commerce solution. It takes care of hosting, security, and technical setup. It's built specifically for online selling and powers over 4 million businesses. WooCommerce is a plugin for WordPress. It's self-hosted, which gives you more control, but also means more responsibility. You need a domain, hosting, and a WordPress site first. So if you want an all-in-one solution, Shopify has your back. But if you want full control and already love WordPress, WooCommerce might be the way to go. Ease of use. Shopify wins for ease of use. You just sign up, choose a theme, and you are ready to go. It's super beginner friendly, even if you are not tech savvy. WooCommerce takes more setup. You will need to handle hosting, domain names, install WordPress, and then add WooCommerce. It is not overly complicated, but it is definitely more involved. If you want a plug-and-play experience, Shopify makes it simple. But if you do not mind getting your hands dirty, WooCommerce offers more freedom, features, and flexibility. Shopify comes packed with built-in tools, abandoned cart recovery, multi-channel selling like Instagram and Amazon, and hundreds of apps. But some features are locked behind higher tier plans or paid apps. WooCommerce, being open source, is incredibly flexible. You can modify anything with plugins or code. Want subscriptions, custom checkout flows? There is a plugin for that. Shopify is great if you want reliable tools that just work. WooCommerce gives you endless possibilities, but it can feel overwhelming. Design and customization. Shopify offers the sleek, mobile-optimized themes, some free, most premium, more than $140. Customizing is simple with drag-and-drop features, but limited beyond what the theme allows. WooCommerce, thanks to WordPress, offers thousands of themes and page builders like Elementor. You can design pretty much anything if you know how. If creative control is your thing, WooCommerce delivers, but if you just want a beautiful store fast, Shopify's themes will not disappoint. Cost and pricing. Shopify starts at $39 per month for the basic plan. Add-ons and transaction fees can drive up the price. Using Shopify payments waives the extra fee, but third-party gateways cost more. WooCommerce is technically free, but you will pay for hosting, domain, premium plugins, and maybe a developer. It can be cheaper or more expensive depending on what you add. Shopify has predictable monthly pricing. WooCommerce offers more control over costs, but it can add up if you are not careful. Payment and transaction fees. Shopify charges 2.9% plus 30 cents fee in the US per transaction on the basic plan. Use a third-party gateway like PayPal or Stripe, add up to 2% more. WooCommerce depends on your payment gateway. Stripe, PayPal, and others typically charge the same, 2.9 plus 30 cents, but no additional platform fee. If you plan on using PayPal or Stripe, WooCommerce might save you money long term. Scalability and performance. Shopify handles everything from traffic spikes to server maintenance. It's designed to scale smoothly as your business grows. WooCommerce can scale too, but you will need solid hosting and maybe developer help to optimize your site. For fast growth, Shopify is stress-free, but WooCommerce gives you power as long as you are ready to manage it. Support and community. Shopify offers 24/7 customer support via chat, email, and phone. Their help center is beginner-friendly. WooCommerce has a massive community and tons of documentation, but support depends on where you buy plugins or themes. You might need to troubleshoot yourself or hire help. If you need hand-holding, Shopify shines. If you prefer community forums or freelance support, WooCommerce works. Who should use what? Choose Shopify if you want an all-in-one platform, if you do not want to deal with technical stuff, and if you value support and ease of use. Choose WooCommerce if you're already using WordPress, if you want full control and customization, and if you want to save money long-term with the right setup. Both platforms are amazing, but they cater to different types of sellers. Shopify is simple and reliable. WooCommerce is flexible and powerful. Pick the one that matches your business style and skill level. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.